Once a week, I'm going to challenge you with a small and simple task. These tasks should take no more than 10 to 15 minutes. And the goal of these challenges is to help you learn not only Godot, but also problem solving. You can access the challenges in real time before I release the solution a week before in my Patreon. Link is down below. All right, everyone. In this challenge, you are meant to create a collectible item. Now, in our setup here, to kind of skip a little bit of the details, I have a static body as the ground with a panel just to show it. And then I have a player with a simple player script with the default edit, the thing that it gives you. So we have some regular movement. Now, the collectible is a separate screen that we are going to collect. It's right there. And in here, all we have is an area 2D. We have a collision shape and an icon to represent the image. Now, in the collectible, we don't have anything yet. But one thing that we do have is a signal connected into the body entered. So we double click here, connect it, and then go into our script, and here we go. Now in here, this is what we would do to check for a specific type, or the player specifically. Now what we can do, one option, is to simply queue free. And now when I play, the collectible disappears. Now that's nice, but it doesn't really give a good game effect. So one thing that we can do, little trick we can do, is tween. So I've created two tweens here, one for the position and then one for the modulate. Essentially what we're going to do is we're going to take the item. So here's our object. We're going to bring it up about 20 pixels. And then we're also going to modulate it from 1 to 0. And once it modulates to 0, we'll queue free. So right here, you can see that tween 1, once the modulate is finished, we're going to tween callback and queue free. Okay, so let's take a look at what it looks like. Awesome. So now it gives it that nice little collected item effect. Here, if you don't like how far up it goes, we can decrease the position, increase it to 2. This, you can decrease it to 4, etc. Okay, maybe we can actually increase this back to 1. And then that back to 0.2, like that. That might be a little nicer. But yeah, so you can play around with the numbers and you can adjust it to whatever you like. All right, that is it for this challenge. I hope to see you all next week for the next challenge.